This is Mystery Side Hustle, and today's question is, how do mystery shoppers make money? I'm going to give you the top 8 ways I am able to make money, and so can you. Number 1 is the obvious choice, mystery shopping. Here you'll be going to a restaurant, a retail location. Sometimes you're going to spas, hotels. You're going to be observing different behaviors, observing how the establishment is actually running. Take all that information, even sometimes taking pictures and putting it into a form and bringing it back to the scheduler so they can forward it over to the actual employer. Number 2 is merchandising. With this type of mystery shop, it will pretty much regard you assisting major manufacturers and retailers to present their product consistent with the brand standards inside of a retail environment to generate sales. So you could be asked to do anything from assembling displays, sampling food, distributing coupons for stocking shelves, or demonstrating products. The need for this skill level is very simple. I've done this before out front of Sam's Club when you get those little tasty things. That would be something very similar to what this would be. Number 3, demonstration and sampling. This one is a little bit of what merchandising also holds into it, but you are literally going to be sampling a food item and demonstrating an actual physical product. This is how stores get the most sales, because the customer can engage and actually make more of a connection with the item by tasting it, or also by seeing it being utilized in front of them, asking questions, even playing with it themselves. And this is where you will come in for this one. Number 4 is installation. This one as well is very new to me, but I'm assuming you pretty much are going to be assigned to go into an actual store and help them install something, whether it's going to be a display, maybe some shelves. You can expect some labor when it comes to this type of mystery shop. Number 5 is inspection and audit. Now, I have done an audit before, but not an inspection. I can only assume an inspection is you're going to be going to a store and looking at certain things to make sure things are being done correctly. For an audit, I have done one at a major cell phone retailer, and you get a list to outline exactly what. Number 6 is price check inventory, and this will be very similar to an audit and inspection, whereas you'll be getting a form that outlines the actual product, the SKU, and the amount it should be actually displayed on the floor. So you will be getting, most times you have to use your cell phone or a particular app to scan it to make sure it is actually ringing up correctly, and then you just report back what that is, making sure that everything is priced correctly, and if not, you just put it down on the form so that you can get it back to the actual retailer. Number 7 is focus groups. Now, these are so much fun. These can be done online, or you can actually travel to a location and sit amongst other people and get asked questions, and they typically just want to know your point of view on certain topics. So I have done these online. I have not done one physical yet, but you get a lot of money, most times $100 to $250 for a few days, or maybe just one sitting, and you will just asked about your opinion. So I really do like those, and they do have focus groups on a variety of topics. So the sky is the limit with these. And finally, number 8, these are polls. Now, this is particularly about your opinion on different topics and things as well. This one can be done strictly online with the computer. You don't have to physically go nowhere. I haven't gone anywhere for a poll, but that is all it would be. It's all your opinion and based upon your experience and things. So